I'm Anil Kumar and we are learning how to solve a right triangle using trigonometry. The question here is solve for angle A to the nearest degree. So we are given sine A equals to 5 over 8. We have to find what angle A is. Next example is using cosine, which is cos A equals to 3 over 4, and then we have tan A equals to 1.2567. You can pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my solution. Now solving for A is using inverse of sine A, right? So we can get, in this case, angle A is equal to sine inverse of 5 over 8, right? Since we have to solve to nearest degree, calculator should be set to degrees. It could be in radians at times. Now for cosine, we do just a similar thing. So angle A equals to cos inverse of 3 over 4, and angle A in this case, because it is tan A, will be tan inverse of the angle, which is 1.2567. Now you can always use the calculator, rather you have to use, right? And then find the answer. So we have second function with sine 5 divided by 8 equal to, so we get this as equals to 38 point nearest degree we want, so I'm just writing 1 degrees and then I'm rounding it to nearest degree. That gives me 39 degrees, correct. Let's do the next one, which involves cos inverse. So cos inverse of 3 divided by 4, we get 41.4 degrees, right? So that to nearest degree will be 41 degrees. For tan, angle A is second function, tan inverse 1.2567 equals to 51.4, which rounds to 51 degrees, right? Now remember, sine and cosine values are between plus and minus 1. They cannot be greater than 1, but tan could be any number, right? Okay. Now as an added exercise, what you can do is you can sketch triangle, right triangles in this case, to show the situation. Let me do one of them for you so that you understand what I'm trying to say. We say cos A is 5 over 8. So I'll just make a right triangle here. Sine A is 5 over 8 is what I will do. So let's say that is my right triangle, okay? Now in this triangle, what should the sides and angle be? So we are saying A is 39 degrees. Let's say this is angle A, which is 39 degrees, right? Sine is 5 over 8. What is sine? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Is that okay? That means opposite side is 5 and hypotenuse is 8. Do you get the point? So likewise, I like you to sketch the other triangles. You can pause the video and then check your answer with that of mine, right? So I'm just sketching randomly and then I'll fill in the values later, okay? So you can pause, answer, and then look into my solution. So angle A in this case will be this vertex A. It's a right triangle. Cosine is 3 over 4. That means adjacent side. Side between A and the right angle is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. And angle A which you found was 41 degrees, like this. Do you get the point, right? In this case, angle A is 51 degrees. So that is 51 degrees. That is angle A. Tan is opposite over adjacent side. Is that okay? So 1.253. So approximately I can say this side is 12.5, for example, correct? I need to get 1.253. I can say 12, and then I can say this side as 10. Do you get the point? So I just converted them into 12, multiply, divide by 10 to get some relevant values. So that is how you can actually get the real situation of the right triangle. Do you understand? That's kind of very important. So when you are learning, it is good to see from all angles. So the question could have been like this, and then where you were supposed to find A, and you would have used that trigonometric ratio. I hope this helps you to understand the topic better. Thank you and all the best.